Method overloading. Method overloading is a feature in object-oriented programming languages that allows a class to define multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists. The compiler determines which method to call based on the number, types, and order of the parameters. Key points. Same method name. Overloaded methods share the same name within a class. Different parameter lists. Overloaded methods must have different parameter lists, including differences in the number or types of parameters. Return type, not considered. The return type alone is not sufficient for overloading. Two methods with the same name and parameter list but different return types are not considered overloaded. This would result in a compilation error. Compile time resolution. The appropriate method to call is determined at compile time based on the method signature. Recursion. Recursion is a programming concept where a function calls itself, either directly or indirectly, to solve a smaller instance of the same problem. Recursive solutions often involve breaking down a problem into smaller subproblems and combining their solutions. Key points. Base case. Recursive functions include a base case that specifies when the recursion should stop. Without a base case, the function could continue calling itself indefinitely, resulting in a stack overflow. Smaller instances. Recursive functions break down the problem into smaller instances, making the problem easier to solve. Stack usage. Each recursive call adds a new frame to the call stack. Excessive recursion without proper termination conditions can lead to a stack overflow. Readability and simplicity. Recursion can lead to concise and elegant solutions for certain problems. However, it may not be the most efficient solution for all scenarios. Access modifiers. Access modifiers control the visibility of classes, methods, and variables. They determine which parts of a program can access certain elements. Public, accessible from anywhere. No restrictions on access. Private, accessible only within the same class. Restricts access from outside the class. Protected, accessible within the same class and its subclasses. Restricts access from outside the package. Default, package private. Accessible within the same package. No access is allowed from outside the package. Non-access modifiers, final, indicates that a variable cannot be modified, constant, a method cannot be overridden, or a class cannot be subclassed.